Hello everyone, recipe for Aam Panna. Aam Panna is a refreshing Indian summer drink made from raw mangoes. Here's a simple recipe to make it at home. Ingredients: 2 large raw mangoes, 1 cup sugar, adjust to taste, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, mint leaves for garnish, ice cubes, water. Instructions. Number 1. Boil the mangoes. Wash the raw mangoes thoroughly. In a large pot, add enough water to cover the mangoes and bring it to a boil. Add the whole mangoes to the boiling water. Let them cook until the mangoes become soft. This usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size and ripeness of the mangoes. Number 2. Cool the mangoes. Once the mangoes are soft, remove them from the boiling water and let them cool down. Once cooled, peel the skin of the mangoes and discard the seeds. You should be left with soft mango pulp. Number 3. Prepare the pulp. Mash the mango pulp using a fork or blend it in a blender until smooth. Set aside. Number 4. Prepare the syrup. In a separate saucepan, dissolve sugar in water over medium heat to make a simple syrup. Let it cool down. Number 5. Mix the ingredients. In a pitcher, combine the mango pulp, simple syrup, roasted cumin powder, black salt, regular salt, and black pepper powder. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Taste and adjust the sweetness or tanginess according to your preference by adding more sugar or mango pulp. Number 6. Chill and serve. Refrigerate the Aam Panna until chilled. When serving, pour it into glasses over ice cubes. Garnish with mint leaves for added freshness. Adjust the sweetness and spices according to your taste preferences. Some people like it more tangy, so you can add more mango pulp or even a squeeze of lime juice. It's a versatile drink that can be customized to suit your palate. Enjoy your homemade favorite Aam Panna. Thank you.